At Wilab, we are building an ecosystem of APIs that empower mobile network operators to monitor and improve service experience across a wide range of scenarios. Let's see an example that highlights how our APIs can be a lifeline for businesses in remote areas where connectivity is often weak. Imagine a county fair in a remote area. Many small business owners rely on point-of-sale devices to accept payments. These point-of-sale systems depend on 4G connectivity to process transactions. When the network is unstable or the connection is weak, these merchants can't sell their products, impacting their business. Using Wilab's API ecosystem, telecom operators can quickly assess and resolve connectivity issues to support these small businesses. The first step in solving this problem involves our location API. This API identifies the cell tower the point of sale is connecting to, of course protecting all personal information to be GDPR compliant. Once we identify the cell ID, our Service Experience API can analyze the quality of service at that location. The Service Experience API provides a service experience score, which reflects how the network is performing based on traffic data, signaling events, and other control plane and user plane interactions. This score gives telecom operators a clear understanding of the service performance in that cell. One of the main reasons of poor service experience score is congestion. For a quick workaround using our Heavy User API, telecom operators can identify which users in the cell are consuming the most data, protecting all personal info to be GDPR compliant. The Heavy Users API shows the total bytes consumed for both downlink and uplink and compares that consumption with other users in the same cell. This comparison helps operators determine if a small number of users are consuming most of the available bandwidth. In one instance, we discovered that a single user was consuming 80% of the downlink bandwidth and 40% of the uplink bandwidth, creating congestion that impacted the businesses relying on their point-of-sale systems. Digging deeper, when using our MSISDN API, which provides detailed information about the services enabled for a specific phone number or device, the heavy users turned out to be using fixed wireless access, which explained the significant data consumption. With this information, telecom operators are able to take action. Wilab's API ecosystem gives network operators the necessary tools to monitor, understand, and resolve connectivity issues, even in remote areas, helping people and businesses stay connected. Stay tuned for more examples of how Wilab is helping telecom operators deliver reliable services with its API ecosystem.